Hello, Susie and hello, Susie Grins. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Superman of a world. And you can acknowledge me and say, hey, I'm Susie Buffet. And I am your Trouble Susie with another film review today, yo. My dad actually made this video. Thank you for him, by the way. We got chicken macaroni, corn, and lemon chicken. I thought I thought you guys what's going on today. It's this. Dude, this is amazing dinner here. I'll test this sucker out and make sure it's good or not. Yes, we got this stuff here, and so, dude, this is so epic. So we can eat up here right now, boys. Let's go. Alrighty, we got corn, chicken macaroni, and lemon chicken. Alright, first we got corn here. So see, this is his dish, corn. Good corn. Chicken macaroni. So see what's this? Good stuff. And now lemon chicken. So see, this is this. Wow. So good. Wow. But afterwards, that is every guys here because you guys making me really high views and subscribers I have. Thank you so much, guys. Giving me over a meal of a billion. Because I want you guys to get this going to make me go to the big time. Like, get my songs out. They debut in movies and TV shows and dark shows. Please. Come on, you can do that. Please, I'm begging you. And my other channel too. I'm almost done of that too. I got 2 more cents to edit. And then I got the Tale of the Golden Sushi is going out pretty soon. I make sure I will do that. Make sure it's on this channel here. But I'm sorry off. So, and I'm watching this to say the end of Descendants 2. Dude, this is so amazing. Because I love the concept of it. Come on. But afterwards, I'm signing off. So, thank you for watching other videos and vlogs with my boy, Son the Beast Friend Soa. If he is watching this, my Susie Grins, you can subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, with the collectibles and Prime, sponsor me on this YouTube channel. This K2's channel. And this is better just do, please. And please share to family and friends. And please, give with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter/X. And every time with that, we got a bunch of worlds on new here on K2's channel. Susie, yeah, Susie Hawaii, Susie Hawaii, Susie Hard, Susie Today, Susie giving me a new toy. Susie Hee-haw, Susie my boy, Susie today, and Susie sister.